If you're watching this video, there's probably a chance that you might be curious about like technical SEO and what are some of the tools that you can use to act as though you are a Google bot and crawl your website and understand like what's happening, like what are the good things that's happening, what are the bad things that are happening, what are some of the blockers. And while there's a lot of tools on the market for this, the tool that I like most is something called Screaming Frog. I know it has a weird name, but it's a very effective tool. This tool allows you to basically crawl a website. And so it'll basically start at the homepage and it'll just kind of click through and give you a full synopsis of your whole website, every single page. It'll tell you specifically, like, do you have broken links, both internal and external links. It'll tell you if you've got pages that are being redirected and, and how you can fix those. It'll tell you if you've got pages that have duplicate title tags and duplicate H1 tags. It'll tell you if there's images that are, that need to be compressed a little bit more. It'll tell you pages that are cannibalizing each other, right? So I'm kind of going into some of the basic stuff here. But if you really want to learn more about this, there's, so many educational videos on this tool specifically, for every little element that you could probably go and watch. SEO is one of those things, right, where you kind of maybe watch this video, it sparks your interest, you learn about this tool, right? And then you peel another layer of the onion and you're like, now next thing you know, you're like paying for the tool and you're playing with it, right? And then you peel another layer of the onion and you're getting a little bit more advanced, right? But anyway, I just wanted to share that because it's such a powerful tool. The way we do it at Hennessey Digital is a little different, right? So rather than like audit websites on a one-by-one basis, we actually like crawl our clients' websites literally like every single day. And we send all of the data up to the cloud. And then it comes back and it tells us like everything that we need to do to kind of fix things, right? So, we're doing it on a different level, but I certainly recommend you looking into this tool, maybe paying for it and playing with it and learn a little bit more about your website.